Evening everyone. So there's an abandoned house nearby Philippines. There's a 3 girls dead and 1 girl survived in 1955. Report incident happened. The house is already abandoned because there's already 2 girls dead before. Also, there's a fire happened out of nowhere. The house is renovated for them and they stayed there because they thought it was a pretty house. Thank you.
Ano pong magandang pagpipilian?
Ayan o, dyan mo swipe.
Okay.
Maganda.
Sige, dyan na lang tayo magstay.
Hindi naman tayo natatakot eh.
Ito na, naka-weekend na tayo. Tara na.
Tara na.
Matulog na muna tayo.
Guys, gising na. Alis pa tayo.
Totoo bang aalis tayo ngayon? Oo nga, diba? Kaya nga nag-book si ate.
Nag-impake na ba kayo? Oo, natapos na nga eh.
Guys, lalabas muna ako. Iihi lang ako doon. Tabi-tabi lang.
Bilisan mo ah. Ito pa nga ako eh.
Iniwan niyo ako ha. Pues, sama tayo lahat sa impyerno.